Hey guys, for this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to do the ghost effect on CapCut. With this tutorial, you're gonna be able to do a cool transition. Let's get started by adding our video or photo, which is very simple. So once you've added your media, tap on it and then tap on copy. And on that second clip, you're gonna want to tap on overlay. So just drag it back here. And once you do that, you're gonna want to go at the very start or wherever you want it to start, and then just choose anywhere for the ghost effect to take in and where it ends. So just do this, make sure you have 3. You can also do it shorter if you want, or longer, you choose. So on the first one, you're not gonna edit anything, but on the second one, if you go ahead and tap on that, you're gonna want to zoom in and then make sure the opacity, which is right here, is low, and then remove this and add it again, and now opacity should be at 0. So once you go ahead and watch that, it's done the ghost effect. But I actually did it wrong. It's supposed to go faster. So I'm just gonna redo that real quick. And there you go. It's that simple. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. Any comments and suggestions, feel free to comment down below.